Hello students. Today we are going to start with grammar. Topic number 1, determiners. Now what are determiners? Determiners are words placed in front of a noun so that what the noun is referring to can be defined. For example, words like a, an, the, my, this, some, many, all are determiners. So it is placed before a noun so as to qualify it or modify it. Now, in these sentences, we will see how determiners are placed before the noun. Sentence number 1. This umbrella costs rupees 120. So umbrella is the noun and this is the determiner. Sentence number 2. He is my uncle. So here uncle is the noun and my is the determiner. Sentence number 3. I have forgotten some details. So here details is the noun and some is the determiner. Now let's understand the types of determiners. There are total 8 types of determiners. First is articles. We all know articles are a and the. Second, demonstratives, this, that, these, those. Third, possessives, my, our, your, his, her, their, its. Fourth, distributives, each, every, either, neither. Fifth, quantifiers, much, some, several, a lot of, few, little. Sixth, cardinals, one, two, three. Seventh, ordinals, first, second, next, last. And last is interrogatives, what, which, whose. Now let's start with the articles. So articles consist of the definite article the and indefinite articles a or an. We can think of nouns in a specific or general way. So when we refer to particular person or things or something that has already been mentioned or can be understood, we use the definite article the. And when we refer to singular nouns for the first time or refer to the things in general way, we use the indefinite article a or an. Examples of definite articles are: first, he ate the mangoes kept in the basket. Second, I will visit the school on Monday. Now the use of indefinite article a and examples. A is used before a word beginning with the sound of a consonant. Example, a man, a hero, a girl. Second point, before vowels that have the sound of U. Example, a union, a useful book, a unit. Point number 3, before the word O which begins with the consonant sound W. Example, a 1 rupee note, a one-way road. Indefinite article an is used before words beginning with vowel sounds. An elephant, an orange, etc. Second, words beginning with silent H. Example, an hour, an honest man, etc. Next is demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative determiners are used to talk about persons or things that have already been mentioned or to indicate the position or location of a noun. For example, this, that, these, those. This and that are used with singular nouns. For example, I met her this week. Sentence number 2, can you lift that box? Now, these and those are used with plural nouns. For example, she bought these books. Example number 2, would you like to buy those books? Possessive determiners are used to show possession. My, our, your, his, her, its, they are all possessive determiners. Possessives can be used before singular and plural, before the countable and uncountable nouns. For example, he is my uncle. Their house is very big. What is her age? Next determiner is quantifiers. Quantifiers refer to the quantity of things or amount of something. So some of the quantifiers are some, any, much, many, several, a lot of, few, little, etc. Now some of the examples are: many and several are used to suggest numbers. They are used with countable nouns. Example, several books or many trees. Then much and little indicate quantity. They are used with uncountable nouns. For example, little water, much progress. Then some and any can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. So they are used to refer to both quantity and number. Also, they are used in affirmative sentences and they can be used in interrogative sentences. For example, do you need any help? Or it can be, I need some books to read. Next is numbers. Now, numbers include cardinals and ordinals. So, cardinals are 1, 2, 3, etc. And they are counting numbers that describes the quantity of a noun. Example, there are 1 kilo oranges on the table. Whereas ordinals are numbers used before a noun to indicate order, rank, or position. For example, first, second, next, last, etc. So the sentences are I shall meet him the next week. He is the last man to help you. Sentence number 3 Shiva won the second prize in the competition. Next is distributives. So, distributive determiners refer to each single member of a group. So, the distributives are each, every, either, neither. Each is used when we talk about the members of a group individually, and every when we make a general statement. Both are followed by a singular countable noun. Example 1 He met each guest. Sentence number 2 The minister visited every flood affected area. Sentence number 3 People stood in either side of the road. And sentence number 4 Neither boy said anything. Now, the last determiner is interrogatives. So, determiners that help to ask questions may be described as interrogatives. They are what, which, whose, how much, how many. So, these are all interrogatives. Now, the examples are sentence 1 Which color do you like the most? Sentence 2 What subjects are you studying?